Howdy, I'm Chef Aaron Neal. Today we're going to do a recipe for you. It's going to be with a deer loin. It's basically like a rack of lamb but with deer loin. So it's like a rack of deer loin. That's what it is like. I got William Ransop behind the camera with me today. He actually shot this deer. What was this deer, Willie?
I shot it New Year's Day, muzzleloader buck. Pretty good deer. 8-point.
Oh, that 8-point you shot?
Yep.
It wasn't nice. Anyway, what I'm going to do with this deer loin is I'm going to truss it up with some twine, season it real good with some campfire, then I'm going to pan sear it and then throw it in the oven and finish it in the oven. And it shouldn't take no time because me and Willie like our deer loin about medium rare, so it ain't going to take but just a few minutes here. After it's done, I'm going to pull it off the pan, let it rest, and then I'm going to build a mushroom sauce to drizzle over these deer loins we're getting ready to have. So let's go ahead and get started. It's hot. I wouldn't trust
this. What's this going to do?
Let's just kind of see how loosey-goosey it is. This will help it keep firm, make it look nice. It'll make it presentation be nicer, and it'll help keep some of the juices in there too, is what I've heard. I don't know if that's the truth or not, but it seems like it would make sense if it was all contracted together. Get that campfire on there, it ain't gonna matter what we do to it. My old art scissors ain't too sharp anymore. Had them for like 25. Had them for like 25 years. I don't throw nothing away. Alright, we got it trussed. I'm going to go ahead and oil it. Olive oil. Season this baby. That's that campfire boil. Can't get too much of that on there. Now look at her. Look good enough to eat already. Clean the paws. Pan sear this loin. See?
Boy, you can smell that campfire
already. You're gonna let this sear for probably 3 minutes with it real hot like that. You don't want to cook the whole thing all the way through, but you want to get that outside all the way around good and golden brown, you know. That sear is what gives it all that flavor. And don't mess with it. It sears better when you just leave it lay there. Take like 3 minutes and flip it to one edge and you just keep going all the way around. That's been 3 or 4 minutes there. We're going to go ahead and flip it. Really good color going on. I'm going to go ahead and put some fresh thyme in there. A little bit of butter. Go ahead and throw your little garlic in there if you want. Make it taste real good. So I got it sitting there like that. I'm going to go ahead and It'll make them look pretty when you take it out of the oven. That's what they say. I ain't never done this before, to be honest with you. Alright. Got that oven set at 400 degrees. I got this thing seared off. I'm going to go ahead and throw the whole thing in there. It's all there. Won't fit. It won't fit in there. I have to do something different. No big deal. Man, we gotta use this for something else. I'll do it like that. That'll fit in there. Now we want this medium rare, which is like 125 degrees. It ain't gonna take too long. I hope I don't overdo it. I got a thermometer here. While that's in there though, I'm gonna go ahead and start doing my mushroom gravy. Where the hell did my phone go? Take this old stuff out. Start over with fresh. Leave them same good juices in there if you want. I always do. Throw the mushrooms in there. Stop going on the clothes. Saute them mushrooms till they're good and brown. Got good color to them. I'll show you. Did you notice my apron?
Mr. Good Looking is cooking.
Big sis got me that for Christmas. Well, big sis, Kate Reekman. Big sis. She likes it when I call her big sis. You don't like it at all. Salt. Pepper. Before we started filming here, I made up a little pot of beef broth. Just this water and this original, or Orrington Farms, what I use, that broth base and seasoning is pretty dang good. Like 2 tablespoons for however much water that is. Look at the good color you're getting there. Letting that saute. Shallot, garlic, right in there. Right amongst them mushrooms there. I'm not the cleanest cook. I might be the best looking, but I definitely the cleanest. Gonna sweat them shallots down. The more you cook them, the sweeter they'll get. That's the whole point of using shallots. They're sweet. They're good. They taste good. Alright. Got that sweated down, cooked down, sauteed down, whatever you want to say, right to where I want it. I'm going to go ahead and add my broth. And I'm just going to let that simmer for a while. Oh, we're in good shape. I don't know, what are you doing? We got some time. I'm gonna put that thick side in there. That loin thicker on one end than the other, so it's getting done quicker on this end here. Alright, so I just took the temp of this thing, and the smaller end's cooking much faster than the big end, so I just kind of thinking on the feet a little bit. I'm gonna cut the thing in half so I don't overcook the whole damn thing. Me and Willie don't like dry, tough deer meat. And you can see where it gets real small right in there. Oh, she feels done to me. This here is pretty rare. Not blessed, tastes awful good. Pretty rare there too, Willie. Put her back on there. Thicken this here mushroom gravy. This is just a little brown roux that I made up earlier. All roux is equal parts butter and flour, and you cook it in the saucepan for a long time, slow. You don't want to burn it. It ends up cooking down and turning awful pretty brown color. Like damn a good gravy. Good gravy. Good gravy. You're gonna like that. You're gonna like it a lot.
Good form.
Never a drop. Got a pretty good gravy, don't it? What's all that deer blood juice on there?
I better try it.
I'll get me a slice of bread and dip in there. Yank it. This is big dog right now. I'm only about 110. We'll let him go a little longer. Well, hell, we got one done. I'm gonna let him rest while that one's finishing. I'm gonna slice one up and wrap this thing up. What do you think, Willie?
Sounds good.
See what these look like. Dog didn't do nothing. Oh, they're kind of shiny and white. I didn't clean them off the best either. I scraped on them a little while. Found better things to do. They're kind of pretty. Show off to your friends or family. Some kind of event. Something. I'm gonna let that son bitch cool a little while. I can't touch it, Willie.
You got some good Crayolas.
Oh yeah, some bitches never failed me.
You get an A in art?
Every year. Least artistic kid there was. I think she had a crush on me or something.
Most women do, right?
I didn't say it, Willie, you did. Look at it. Ain't that pretty? Let's try them. What do you say, the hell, let's try some. And there like that. Kind of a nice little presentation, something, you know. Mushroom gravy on there. Drizzle it everywhere if you want to. Okay. Set it off a little. You gotta make it pretty. Oh, what happened? Mushrooms good. We'll get a picture later. We still got the other one in there. Let's try it. Let's eat it. How old do you think this buck was, Louie?
I'm not 100% positive. I mean, he's a mature deer. It's at least 4.5. Might have been just 3.5. Can you tell by that line?
It's 3.5. Well, he got good flavor in him. Really good. I love eating deer, boy. You put a good mushroom gravy on it like that, it's hard to beat. Oh, I have a little itch in my ear. Well, that's it for this time, folks. Rack of deer loin with mushroom gravy on it. It's awful dang good. If you like this video, if you liked any of the videos I've done, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. You don't want to miss any of these good wild game recipes. Until next time, I'm Chef Aaron Neal. Good luck and good cooking.